In this quick video, I'm going to show you how to manually reset your circle. You'll find the power button on the back, which is this ring of dots right here above where it plugs in. And you'll do a sequence of 3 button presses. You'll press and hold for 5 seconds, press and hold for 5 seconds, and then press and release very quickly. So here's how you do it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then a quick tap. You can see how the light is flashing rapidly now. That's an indication that you have been successful in resetting your circle. After about 30 seconds, the light will even out and begin to blink slowly and steadily, and at that point, it will be ready to pair again.